I want to answer a question today. What do men want in a woman? When they get into marriage, what is their main agenda? Now, when it comes to broke men, men who have no money, they want fixers. They want somebody who is going to give them to sort them financially. They want somebody with the money to sort to help them in their problems, in their financial problems. That's what they would want in a woman, financial solution. Then there are immature men. Immature men, they want mothers. There are men who have been so much mothered. So what they are looking in a wife or in a woman, they want one who is going to treat them like their mother, who is going to baby them, who is going to shoulder all the burden, all the responsibilities, to make decisions, to take care of them, and with them, they just enjoy life with nothing else to do. That is the type of a woman such men, immature men, would want. Good men would want partners. They want women whom they are going to dance, they are going to organize, and then they are going to team up and meet their life goals and dreams together, because two are better than one. When one combined with the other one, the achievements or the results are going to be far much greater than if one was alone. So it is very important. Then, if it's a hard-working man, they want supporters. They want a woman who is going to encourage them, the one who are going to be cheerleader, not the one who is going to be a wet blanket to discourage them. No. But then, at least a hard-working person wants somebody to support. That's the type of a woman they would want, a supporter. Then lazy men want enablers. Lazy men, they want people who are going to be more like their donkeys in their lives. Workers, workers, workers. Some would like to marry a lady who are going to be a shamba woman, to be digging their acres and acres. The woman will be more of a tractor to such a man. Insecure men want puppets. They want women who are always going to say yes, yes, who are not going to have any idea, but they are going to be following you, even if you are going to fall to a trench. They always be with you. They will be saying yes, yes, even when they know you are going to get into a problem, which is very dangerous. Abusive men want objects. They want women who are just going to be seen, not to be heard. Just objects. They look at women mistreating them. They look at women as more of a part of furniture in their home. It is so bad. But what about a man of God? One we sing is a pastor, a bishop, a imam, or whatever. They want their rib. They want a companion, a person who is going to compliment them, a person who is going to make them feel special, to make them feel great, to make them feel they cannot walk this journey alone without the support. Thank you very much. It's your family therapist and relationship coach, Mutea Rukwaro, from the YouTube channel, A Moment with Rukwaro. Have a great afternoon and thank you.